Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, your #1 Vancouver weight loss personal trainer. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day to help you lose weight permanently. Today, we're gonna be doing a beginner 10-minute leg workout to really burn some calories and strengthen the legs. Transformers, let's go. All right guys, our first exercise, we're gonna be doing some squat side steps. You're gonna squat down, step to the right, and step to the left. We got 40 seconds, let's go. Make sure you're pushing those knees out, you're getting down low, and you're pushing up through the heels. As you go down, stick your bum back, stand up tall. Good, let's work the legs. Squat down, step to the left. Step to the right. Good, halfway there. Nice work, guys. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna jog in place. Our next exercise coming up, we're gonna be doing some high knees. We're gonna drive those knees up nice and high like this. Ready? We're gonna get started in about 10 seconds. Keep jogging on the spot. Let's get warm. 3, 2, 1, and high knees. Let's get the knees up. Stay light on your feet. Keep that chest up. Let's go nice and quick, guys. Continue to breathe. Good work, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, continue to jog it out. Our next exercise coming up, we're gonna be doing some floor to ceiling squats. Legs nice and wide, keep pushing those knees out. You're gonna touch the floor. We're gonna reach up to the ceiling. Excuse me. We're gonna get started in about 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, reach down to the floor, reach up to the ceiling. We got 40 seconds. Good, make sure you're bending down with the legs. Reach up nice and high, pump those legs, let's go quick. You wanna keep that chest up the whole time. Push with the heels. Reach to the floor. And reach to the ceiling. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Jog it out. Next exercise, we're gonna be doing some jumping jacks. 2 feet together, hands by your side, and we're gonna pump our arms and legs just like this. Ready? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and jumping jacks. Here we go. Stay light on your feet, guys. You guys are doing great. Less than 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, you get a little break coming up. Grab some water. I'll see you back in our second set. Hey guys, I want to take 30 seconds and introduce you to one of our partners of my YouTube channel, at Cana Clay. If you are living in Vancouver, if you're a sports fan, a hockey fan, and a Vancouver Canucks fan, if you're in Vancouver, I don't know why you wouldn't be a Vancouver Canucks fan. Definitely check out his channel. It's in the link below, at Cana Clay, for Vancouver Canucks news that's timely, positive, and trustworthy. Clay is one of the most funniest, most entertaining, and inspiring guys that I know, so it's definitely worth your time to check out his channel at Cana Clay. All right, welcome back. We're gonna get started again with our squat side steps. Ready? And let's go. Squat down, step to the right, step to the left. Let's pump those legs, and let's go a little quicker here. Push those knees out, get down low, stand up tall. You guys are doing great. Five seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. We're gonna jog it out. We got some high knees coming up. Remember, we're gonna drive those knees up nice and high. We're gonna get the heart rate up. Ready? We got 10 seconds. Keep jogging out on the spot. I'll let you know when to start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time starts now. Drive those knees up 40 seconds. Stay light on your feet. Pump those legs. Nice work, you guys. Drive those knees up as high as you can. And continue to breathe. Got about 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Jog it out again. Our next exercise coming up, we're gonna be doing some floor to ceiling squats again. Legs nice and wide. We're gonna touch the floor. We're gonna reach up to the ceiling. We're gonna get started here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Weight on the heels, touch the floor, reach to the ceiling. Let's go quick here. If you can't go all the way down to the floor, that's okay. Go halfway down and then reach straight up. Push those knees out. Weight's gonna be on the heels. Stick your bum back like you're sitting on a chair. Okay, keep working. Nice work, 15 seconds. 10 seconds, make it count. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Jog it out. We got our last exercise coming up. Going back to those jumping jacks this time. We're gonna finish off strong. I want you guys to go as hard as you can. Ready? Starting in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jumping jacks. Here we go. 40 seconds. Pump those arms and legs. Amazing work, you guys. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Sign up for a free 7-day personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.